name is Terry Costa, and I own Costa Concrete Construction. I've been on business for almost 4 years. I've been doing this type of trade, concrete and masonry, for almost 23 years. Here on the outside, basically what's happening is we have brick and we have siding. So these two wings right here, we have the gables, which we have brick on the outside, turning around. Brick front with some openings on the sides, and then on this other end over here, we did this room just to kind of break it up a little bit. We used for this project was made by Pinehole Brick Company, and the name of the brick is Barker House with Savannah Ivory mortar. I think it really turned out really nice. I really like it. So I'm looking forward to see it when it's all said and done, and so we can all come in and enjoy it.